Online video editors are designed to make video editing simple and convenient, as you don't need to download or install any apps to use them. Most of these online video editing softwares are easily accessible from most devices and also store your work in their cloud storage space systems. They're also good contenders for the offline video editing tools like Premiere Pro, Filmora, Movavi, and so on. In this video, we will be exploring the same online video editing softwares you can use on the go. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free online video editor that provides the basic tools needed to create and edit videos. You can use your own footage or modify an existing template. It also has a screen recorder and a picture-in-picture feature that allows you to combine videos, images, and slideshows into a single project, making it ideal for creating tutorials or recording gameplay. Clipchamp is ideal for those who are just beginning to learn how to edit videos in their browsers using online media. The pop-ups that explain how to trim videos and what to search for are useful when navigating unfamiliar territory. Some of the features of Clipchamp are: 1. Its interface is easy to understand and navigate even for first-time video editors. 2. It supports different aspect ratios to suit various platforms such as IGTV, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. 3. You get access to customizable templates, stock photos, footage, and audio clips. 4. You can directly upload your videos to YouTube. 5. Clipchamp also offers text-to-speech options with different languages and voices. Number 2. InVideo. InVideo is a super intuitive video creation platform that will allow you to create professional quality videos in minutes even if you have never edited a video before. Whether you're looking to create a YouTube intro, business presentation, or music video, it includes everything you need to make professional-looking videos, from templates to stock footage to an easy-to-use editor. The best part is that you can create a free account right now. InVideo for Business also provides access to tailor-made templates and on-demand video editing if you want customized videos for your brand. Some of the features of InVideo are: 1. It is a beginner-friendly, super intuitive video editor. 2. You get access to 5,000 plus completely customizable video templates and 12 million royalty-free images and video clips. 3. It has an automated text-to-speech option, and you can also record voiceovers directly from the online video editor. 4. You can have unlimited team members and also the option of team sharing videos and assets for even free users. Number 3. Magisto. Magisto is created by Vimeo and is one of the simplest online video editing tool. The interface is riddled with prompts that will guide you through the process so that you don't waste time figuring out how to use the editor. Magisto uses AI to create a video in minutes with minimal input from you. However, you can take a more hands-on approach and edit your video yourself. Some of the features of Magisto are: 1. It has 3+ million HD stock videos and 25 million stock photos and commercially licensed music. 2. You get to use trendy fonts, transitions, and ready-to-use palettes. 3. The interface is easy to navigate. Put together a complete video in minutes by just uploading photos or footage and adding text. Number 4. Wave Video. Wave Video may take some getting used to if you're a first-time video editor. However, there are helpful prompts to help you. This is one of the best online video editors because it allows you to edit your own footage as well as customize templates. Include stock footage and photos, change layouts, and its stickers and overlays are all options. Some of the features of Wave Video are: 1. It allows video customization to the brim. 2. You get access to 600 plus templates, variety of stickers, transitions, and overlays. 3. You also get access to more than 10 million royalty-free stock images and videos. 4. It has the option to add custom or auto-generated captions and voiceovers. Number 5. Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark includes a number of sophisticated tools for users. You can make your own graphics, web pages, and videos. Despite the ease with which templates can be selected, this is a fairly advanced tool. There is also compatibility with educational programs, but for this list, we will focus on Spark for businesses and creating videos. Some of the features of Adobe Spark are: 1. It has a clean, intuitive interface with helpful prompts to guide you. 2. Spark allows multiple collaborators on a single project. 3. Videos are customizable with brand logo, colors, and font. 4. You can share your videos across social media channels via Spark. Number 6. Wideo. Here is a useful tool for making animated videos from scratch. Wideo can also be used to add animations to existing footage. The website includes simple, informative tutorials to help you get started, making it simple to use for video editors of all skill levels. Wideo is a good choice for creating engaging explainer videos, product presentations, or marketing ads. Some of the features of Wideo are: 1. Wideo has a large library of animation-based templates that are highly customizable. 2. You get access to free stock videos, photos, and music. 3. You have unlimited cloud storage for paid plans. 4. Wideo supports direct YouTube and Facebook uploads. Number 7. Capwing. This free online video editor includes all of the essential features of professional video editing software. To make a shareable video, use Capwing to crop and trim video clips, add transitions, overlay images and audio, and generate subtitles. It also supports Teams, allowing creators to collaborate and edit a video in real time. Some of the features of Capwing are: 1. All the basic functions of professional video editing software online for free. 2. There is no watermark for the free plan users. 3. It supports audio and video imports from YouTube and other URLs. 4. It has AI-powered features such as auto subtitle generator, remove background tool, and automatic translation. 5. Multiple creators can view and edit videos in a single project in real time. Number 8. WeVideo. WeVideo's online video editor's interface is similar to that of traditional editing software, and the layout may be difficult for inexperienced editors to master. It includes, in addition to basic trimming and splitting functions, access to stock footage and audio, green screen and slow motion, simultaneous screen and webcam recording, and integration with Twitter and Facebook. Some of the features of WeVideo are: 1. You can use features like green screen, slow motion, screen, and webcam recording, motion text, and an option to export audio separately. 2. You can export videos in 720p and 4K HD resolution. 3. Get unlimited cloud storage and no cap on video duration. 4. You get access to numerous templates and can create your own templates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.